Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Synthesia AI online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Synthesia AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address synthesia.io and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Synthesia. Over here you can see this is the Synthesia AI, where it says the turn text to video in minutes. And let's close this, guys. And with that being said, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available for us over here where my mouse is hovering. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen, and then a login page to your Synthesia AI account will open. So let's wait for it over here. Now you can see, guys, you'll be required to enter your work email or continue with your email. You can do whatever you like. If you have your work email provided through any organizations for you, you can try out your work email. And with that being said, guys, you can also log into your Synthesia account with your Google account. If you click on the continue with Google button over here, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you sign into your Google account, you will be logged into your Synthesia AI account with your Google account. And with that being said, guys, let's click on the continue with email. So I'll be entering my email for that. And after entering your email address over here, and after entering your email address, guys, you can click on continue with email. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your password. And after entering your password, guys, you'll be able to log into your Synthesia AI account from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your Synthesia AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.